Hey guys, I thought it'd be fun today to try installing some of the upholstery we did for the Citroen DS Safari here. I've got it sewn up inside, so let's pull one of these seats out and see how it goes. I haven't really tried fitting anything to it yet, but I hope that the pattern I was able to salvage was close. Let's have a look. Nice to get a before shot, so again, I don't think anything that I could make up is going to look worse than this. So let's start by pulling this seat out of here, and we'll see how much repair the foam needs, or I might be able to substitute a piece from an extra chair. Okay. What are these things? 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter, something like that. Everything's millimeters. Oh, I think Frankers figured out that we're not actually going anywhere. Hey? Oh well. Maybe when we get it done, okay? Okay, so much for the easy part. I'm going to clean everything up here, and I'm going to cover this rickety old piece of plywood table here in some clean plastic so we don't wreck the new upholstery before it's even on. And then I'll go get the, I think I might replace this upper foam. That's pretty poor. Frankers has fixed that up a bit. I think I have another piece, so I'm going to go get the other chair. I might even just use the other chair, frankly. Come to think of it. Anyway, I'm going to go do that, and we'll be back in a second with a reassembly portion here. I've got the other chair here. This is the one I used for fitting the upholstery inside, and the foam is in much better shape, so I'm just going to use this one. And the only thing I noticed on my test fit was that it's a little loose on the sides here, so I'm going to glue a little bit of this extra, whatever this shit is called, on here, and we're going to use that to kind of keep everything tight. I might put a bit up here as well. So, pretty easy, I believe. Okay, and it's raining. Yeah, awesome. That's what we wanted. Quick trip to the store for hog rings. Of course, I didn't actually check if I had any before I started this. So, anyway, gone ahead and bought a little more of this polyester, whatever the hell it is, stuff it's called. I think we'll start with the back. I don't know. Let's start with the back. I don't think it matters. Let's see how it goes. Very happy I added that thin foam. It's really fixed up this corner here. So try to make it symmetrical, I guess. Hey, there we go. Already looks pretty decent. Okay, can we see it? All right, pretty fair. A nice corner here now, kinda. Pull this through. Well, we'll put a few rings in the bottom. Try to get it centered. Okay, forgot one thing. I gotta put the wire in there. Okay, got the wire fed through the back. I just use a welding rod. It's almost identical to the original stuff, and I've got lots of it. So we're gonna hog that baby on there, and then that'll allow us to tighten other stuff, I guess. I don't know. Again, this is amateur night time here, so I drove all over to hell and back and could not find the right style of hog rings. All I could find was these ones for making sausages, and I sure hope that they'll work. Okay, that's a good start. This is way less important here. These are all held behind the steel trim panel there, so just need to get it neighborhood. And I think I'm going to stuff a little extra padding in here because that's looking a little loose, and I don't think pulling it down is going to fix it. So I'm going to just pad a little extra in here. It's looking pretty good now. Okay, well, let's see. was supposed to actually be able to pull that down to there. Is that the plan? Okay. Okay, that's going not too bad. The big panel on the back I'll do last. I think I want to get this guy on. So let's try that. When I sewed this, I went right down to here with the pleats just because it's easier. But the foam is kind of not designed that way, so I'm going to have to stuff something in there to tighten that up. But I figured I'd get away with it because that's how it was done last time, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I won't get away with it. That clearly has to go over there. We've got to get a lot tighter yet. Holy cow. A lot. Hey bangers. Yeah, I made a mistake. I have to go inside and sew, okay? You want to wait here on your new chair? Oh, I see you like it. That's excellent. Forgot one little piece, so I have to put the rod in here now. Sewing is another one of those things that doesn't get better when you're in a hurry. I wouldn't normally be in a hurry, but because this is, if you're watching this today, if you're watching it the day it came up, that's the day I did this. So, and I wasn't planning on running out of materials and having to drive around half the day. Could use a little trimming, frankly. A little bit of loose threads here. Okay. Now it'll actually attach to the chair, we hope. Okay, there we have a mostly completed chair. I have to say it's very tight and looks pretty decent. I'm going to be working at these corners here a bit before it can get finaled up, whatever they call it, buttoned up, so to speak. There's just it's a little awkward here. I don't know how I'm going to deal with it. The original upholstery was not cloth and vinyl, it was all cloth. Maybe that stretched a little better. And anyway, I did it this way in lieu of piping it just to save time, and so we've ended up with a little bit of puckering here on this compound curve, which I'm not super happy about, but again, we are dealing with a pretty decrepit old car here, so overall, I'm going to keep picking at it. Anyway, hope you guys dig the pattern. Let's have a closer look. There we go. I'm going to finish it up here and hammer it in, and then I'll start on the other one, but we've run out of time. Thanks so much for tuning in for amateur night upholstery time. My intent was to show this back in the car at the end of this video, but of course nothing really goes the way you think it's going to go. There's no point in me putting it in the car to fake the video up and then taking it out again to fix it. So I still have to make the rear panel, which is just this thing. I'm going to match the blue vinyl on here. It's just a piece of steel with some vinyl wrapped around it. Pretty simple, but you know, it's still going to take a few minutes. I think I'm really going to enjoy seeing this in the car. It's not perfect by any means, but I'd like to think it's better than the before shot anyway. Thanks so much for watching the show today, and we'll see everybody in a couple days for more V8 Showdown. We've got some fun surprises there. Looks like the sun might even come out long enough to get some work done on those today as well. So, see you very soon. Cheers from me and Frankerdog. Well, you can have that one now. You're the one that wrecked it. Now you don't want it, eh? Oh, stretchy. Want to come inside with Dad and have some supper? Let's go. Of course, thanks again to everybody who ordered a Model T shirt. I believe that they are finished printing, and so that means they'll be shipping very soon. I will confirm all that on Saturday's video, and I'm looking forward to getting mine too. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.